Every now and then I see a brand new method come out. It's pretty rare. Usually I see the same stuff over and over again. And every now and then, though, not only is it something a little bit different, but something that's really, really cool. And today I saw something that I absolutely loved. I am super excited about it. I'm going to tell you all about it coming right up in my review of Supreme Paydays. My cat is here. She's excited too. It's all coming up in my review of Supreme Paydays. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, well, you know the drill by now. If you're not new, just go and skip ahead. I know I'm just gonna make the same stale, boring jokes. I'll talk about my cat because she likes to go and photobomb my videos, and I'll make the same boring jokes over and over again. See, she's complaining about it too. She doesn't like it either. But anyway, but, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap. Okay, really, Bart, really, you know, we got to talk. This is ridiculous. But all the constant, do you know how often that guy does that? Every single time I make a video, and I'm making more than one today. He does it constantly. He's driving me crazy. Seriously. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like your product, I will give a tip. My hat's a product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. See, I love Liz. She's a fellow New Yorker. I can't get angry at a fellow New Yorker. Anyway, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Supreme Paydays. This is a new course that just came out, and I gotta tell you something. When I first started watching the video, because actually I am one of the rare people when it comes to this industry that if I'm going to tell you about something, I actually take the time to actually look what the product is. I do not just go ahead and say, okay, yeah, whatever, okay, and like read a description and then try to pretend that I've reviewed it. No, I actually do review things. I actually do sit there and watch the whole thing. When I first started watching, I was like, oh God, another one. Another course that teaches the same things. And then I was watching more closely. I was like, oh, cool. Okay, these guys came up with some really, really cool ideas that I had never thought of. Now, what's really ironic, by the way, I'll tell you something that's funny. One of the ideas, there's a lot of ideas here that I really loved. Okay, I loved their second method of driving traffic, something very, very cool that I haven't seen before. But another method that I saw, one that really maximizes the chances of making money, is something that I've never thought of before. I first saw just last night when I started watching the videos from these guys, and I was mesmerized when I saw it. I was like, wow, that is such a cool idea. It happened to be, I was having a chat this morning with Wayne Crow. Wayne is one of the biggest names in driving traffic online. Very, very, very big name on Warrior Plus. Really a great guy. We happened to be chatting today. He mentioned the exact same strategy to me. And I was like, okay, this is a guy who usually charges thousands of dollars. I'm paying him thousands of dollars for his time, by the way. Just so you know, when I spoke to him, this wasn't something that was like, because we're friends. Okay, I mean, we're friends, but, we know each other. But this was me. I'm working with him on a specific project. I'm going to be paying him thousands upon thousands of dollars for his time. And so he was taking the time to meet with me. And one of the strategies that he mentioned that he likes is one of the exact strategies that I saw in this particular course, which goes for $7.95. By the way, I'm going to show you, by the way, in a little bit how to get this for $7.95. The regular price is $12.95. If you stick with me, I'll show you how to get it for just $7.95. Very few people are going to tell you about that. I will. Okay, it's really, really cool. So make sure you stick with me. But I first want to tell you about my custom bonus because, well, as always, I do have the best custom bonus that you're ever going to see. And boy, did I really outdo myself for this one. I have, I think it's 25 different courses that you're going to get. You'll see a list down below this video. If you're on YouTube or somewhere else, just go ahead and click the link to my website. You're going to see a list of all the courses. Some of the stuff that I'm going to be giving you. These are high level courses, not cheap junk PDF. These are high level video courses. You're going to get access to things like goal setting, things like team building. Okay, things like project management. All right, productivity, communication for business. Okay, these are things that are going to help you to really build a serious business. Now, I know everybody thinks like, oh, Eric, why don't you just give me some nice software? Because, everybody's got software and they all do exactly the same thing. There's very few that, well, I shouldn't say there's very few. There are a few software products that are very unique. I have one coming out called Storyist, which is super unique. I've never seen anybody do anything quite like Storyist. But the vast majority of software, that says they drive traffic in 60 seconds or less or whatever, you know what? Yeah, they kind of, sort of, maybe, possibly do. And there's about a gazillion of them around, and a lot of them are given away for free. That's just the God's honest truth. There's not a whole lot of them that really have something unique to offer. And if I gave you, the usual courses on how to do, paid advertising or something like that, like, okay, that's nice, that's good stuff. But the reality is, I want to give you something different. So I'm giving you all of these different courses. You're going to see the whole list. I just named a couple of them. My other cat is here now to say hello. You can see we have a house full of cats here. But anyway, but seriously, the cats are ruling the world. What can I say? Anyhow, but seriously, let me show you the members area over here. And I also want to tell you, and let me show you before actually I do that, how to get your $5 off to get for $7.95. So you can see here when I try to exit, it's going to pop this up. Make sure you copy this coupon code Supreme5, and you're going to click here to purchase. Now click here where it says I have a coupon, paste in your coupon, click apply, boom, it's $7.95 instead of being $12.95. Okay, now if you pick up any upgrade, by the way, to Supreme Paydays, before we get to the members area, because I do want to show you the members area for just a moment. Before I do that though, if you pick up any upgrade to Supreme Paydays, then I'm going to give you something that I haven't done for a little while. But this is something that I believe in very strongly, but I can only do, I have to strictly limit this. I haven't limited this in the past, and I have to strictly limit it because as I've run out of time. I keep offering these crazy bonuses and people actually take me up on it. And then I'm out of time, but so I'm going to limit this strictly to the first 15 people that pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you a 15-minute Zoom session to meet with me. If you want to record it as an interview, you can record as an interview. Just want to meet with me to discuss your business, we can discuss your business. Pick up any 2 upgrades, you do get 2. But again, there's the first 15 people who pick up an upgrade, because I really don't have time to do more than that, because frankly, I'm just busier and busier all the time. But I do want to help you out. So the first 15 people that pick up an upgrade get that additional bonus. You just have to schedule it with my staff. They'll arrange it for you, and we'll go ahead and meet, and we can have an interview or whatever you want. Anyway, let me show you the members area real quick here. It's your basic members area. You can see here the main training is going to show you everything you need to know. There's several free traffic methods, and what I really loved was the second free traffic method. I thought was super duper cool. Okay, you can see there's 2 free traffic methods. The first one is one I'm familiar with. The second one I've never heard of before, and it was awesome. Okay, another thing I really loved, you can see I've watched some of this, but not all of it. One of the things I loved that I thought was so cool was their method for doing offers. I never would have thought of this. And like I said, I happened to be speaking to Wayne Crowe this morning, and I'm paying him thousands of dollars for his advice and his help with my own business. And one of the things that they mentioned here is something that he told me about. And yesterday when I saw this in this course is the very first time that I actually heard about this. It was like, oh, wow, that is so cool. That is such a great idea. I love that idea. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip man as a product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you demand. I really am impressed with this course. When you pick up for $7.95 with all the bonuses I'm giving you, it's really a no-brainer. Grab this one, you're going to love it.